Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney and I'm from Alabama, which you can probably tell, but in this video I'm doing a speed clean with me and a pack with me. Guys, things are getting real. Like, this was actually the day before the bit moving day, and I needed to get the house in order so I can pack up all these things before the movers came. But I needed to pack up the things that I was planning on moving myself. But go ahead and make you a list and clean with me. Also, go ahead and push the thumbs up button just so I know that you're enjoying this video so far. And if you're new, go ahead and push that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. And if you would like, you can follow me on Instagram. My handle name is The Life of Courtney 19.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know, if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
I don't think we got enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies. Oh baby, yeah. There was a part of me that knew that, and still I'm caught by surprise. I thought you'd always be mine. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. I just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I really thought we had it covered. Was gonna patch up all the scars, but we smashed up all the parts. Oh na na na. Always knew that you were stubborn, but didn't know it'd be so hard to figure out who you really are. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, 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 down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. Yeah, we keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, 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 down. Yeah. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Yeah, now, no words, no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Yeah, now,
I know you just watched me clean up my kitchen and put things away, but that is the only way I can function. I needed to put things away so I could pack up everything. But now I'm to the packing part, and at the end, or closer to the end, you'll see that I get a U-Haul truck, and my mom and I will start filling that truck up, and very quickly did it fill up.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free with me. Not looking back, eyes on the freeway, Bonnie and Clyde, a classic cliche. We're on the run, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
You were my best friend. Didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing matters. Stray around like nighttime rumors. We were in too deep. In your worn out sweater, somewhere in the middle. Try to find myself again, but life is one big riddle of the future and what's been. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times, to better times. Remember I was laughing in all the photos that you took, but now it looks like acting, like we were fiction in a book. Guess it's the way it goes, and I will never know why you let me go. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff and trying to remain so strong. I know it's good if I'm alone. I got it, I gotta go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times. I look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me, nothing can stop me in the night. Look to the left, look to the right, nothing can stop me in the night, like I am leaving all the bad stuff. Go, 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 running to better times. Go, 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 from my emotions I'll go, 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 running to better times, 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 to better times.
You look at me like I'm crazy when I shut my feelings out. You look at me like I'm different, still you stay cause you feel something real. Get so lost in my moments, doesn't mean I don't need you. I fell in love with your colors, they kinda tell me what I'm thinking. I fell in love with the way we are and the way we lose it. There's something different about us, and the reason why we stay. We fly around like paper planes, they never know where we will fall. Nobody can see us, still they wanna tear us apart. There's something different about the way we are.
Thank you so much for tuning in to my video. I hope you enjoyed it. Not gonna lie, I got a little emotional watching this video just because of how much I really miss this house. It was my first home and I just put so much time and effort into it, but you know, all things happen for a reason, and I'm learning that and I'm walking through that and I am getting through it. But anyways, thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And if you're new, go ahead and leave me a comment down below saying your name. And I'm going to tell you 3 interesting things about me. And I would like for you to do the same. So my name is Courtney. I'm from Alabama. I'm also a teacher. I'm a pre-K teacher to be exact. And I love to travel. So make sure you leave me 3 interesting facts about yourself just so I can get to know you better. But also make sure you're subscribed to my channel because I have more packing videos coming up, and in that next video you'll see the house with all the furniture gone. So that'll be really cool to see as well. Alright, I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!
There's something different about the way we are.